We're actually not sure if it's a good idea for us to be here. We moved south from our earlier live shots this morning. Chief photographer Gary Arnold is going to show you the wicked Mobile Bay. Take a look at that. That looks like the Gulf of Mexico right now. That is Mobile Bay. Everyone that we spoke to this morning says that they have never seen Mobile Bay this churned up and that high. I mean, it's at level with us right now, and the waves are starting to come ashore just about 50 yards away from us. So, of course, we're not in a good situation. We're going to be moving out of here pretty soon. We're actually at a campground here at Alabama Port. We're just about maybe less than a mile away from the Dolphin Island Bridge. Of course, that causeway is still shut down completely right now, as you can imagine. Take a look at that water.